Oh, what a beautiful day. What should we do with today? Oh, work on Subarus, obviously. What else would we do? So today, I'm gonna swap out my shift knob, because probably one of the easiest mods you can possibly do with your car is clearly a shift knob. It's one of the quickest and easiest things to replace. So today I'm taking off this ugly old thing and putting on this beautiful thing. Probably have to use a couple wrenches and adjust that just a few times, because the nut on the bottom, you can use that to adjust where the threads end up. I'll probably have to try it 10 or 15 times to probably get a little frustrated, because it's never going to go on straight. But when it does, there, so it doesn't take too long. Probably the quickest and easiest mod that you can do. And so there we are. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.